In example 10.2, an object 4.0 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. See here, all lengths and distances are given in centimeters, not in meters. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? It means that you have to find the position of image. Where the screen should be placed? The screen should be placed where image is formed. That means you have to find the distance of the image from the pole, or image distance V you have to calculate. Find the nature and the size of the image. Also you have to find out what? Nature and the size of the image. Right solution. Again, like in previous problem, we will have one figure which will give you complete idea about sign conventions. But this time we have to take what? Concave mirror. This time we have to take concave. So P here. Let us show F here and C here. Center of curvature. An object of 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Focal length F is given 15 centimeter. Is it positive or negative now? Negative, because it is on the negative x-axis. So to write here minus 15 centimeter. Minus 15 centimeter. Then what will be radius of curvature? Minus 30 centimeter, because R is equal to 2 times F. Now where the object is placed? At 25 centimeter from the mirror. That means between F and P now. Total distance here is 30 centimeter. 25 centimeter means somewhere here. So this is object. AB is of what length or what height? It is 4 centimeter. AB is nothing but object height. So you take it as H. Therefore H is equal to 4 centimeter. Done. So right. Focal length. Focal length F equal to minus 15 centimeter. R is equal to 2F equal to minus 30 centimeter. Object height h is equal to 4 centimeter. You have to calculate object distance because where the screen is to be placed, that you have to know. To say whether image is virtual, erect, real, inverted, magnification factor we have to calculate. What is object distance u here? U is minus 25 centimeter. Now we'll make use of mirror formula. Right, using mirror formula, one by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. V we have to calculate plus 1 by minus 25 equal to 1 by f. F is minus 15. So 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25. If you multiply and divide both fractions by 5 and 3 respectively, you will get LCM as 75. So minus 5 plus 3 divided by 75 will get. So this is 1 by v. Simplifying, one by v equal to minus 2 divided by 75, or v equal to minus 75 by 2, that is minus 37.5 centimeter, or minus 0.375 meter. So what is this? This is screen position. Next, magnification factor m equal to h dash upon h, that is equal to minus v upon u. So what will be magnification factor? Now do not take h dash upon h. take m equal to minus v upon u. That is minus of minus 0.375 divided by minus 0.25. To convert these numbers into whole numbers, we will multiply and divide the ratio by 100. Then we get minus 375 divided by 250. On simplification, m is equal to minus 1.5. Also we have h dash upon h equal to minus v by u. Substituting for h and minus v by u equal to minus 1.5, we get h dash, the height of image, as minus 6 centimeter. Minus 6 centimeter means the image is below the principal axis. That is, we obtain here inverted image. M is negative, therefore image is real and inverted. M value is greater than 1, therefore image is enlarged. Image height is 6 centimeter, that is image size is 6 centimeter. To obtain clear and sharp image on the screen must be placed at a distance of 37.5 centimeter in front of mirror.